In this video, we will see how to make the normal LED to blink under a simulation. Let us take Arduino Uno board, LED, a resistor of 1 kilo ohm connected to the anode pin of LED. Now let us connect the resistor to the digital pin number 13 of Arduino Uno. Now let us connect cathode to GND pin of Arduino Uno. Now let us see the code. In this code, the delay is set to 1000, which means 1 second, so that the LED blinks after every 1 second, as you can see now. Now we can change the delay to 2000, which is 2 seconds, such that the LED blinks after every 2 seconds. Now you can see that LED blinks after every 2 seconds.